Everybody wants to do the same things in Florence.
Just spin.
Who can blame them? But we'll show you how to do them right. We're checking off the top sites without missing a thing. Get right to the must-see masterpieces. Try a high-speed sightseeing hack and escape to the Tuscan countryside on an unforgettable experience that most people completely miss. And do it all in just 3 days. First up, seeing Florence in serious style.
Today, I get to take this baby for a spin. Rock and roll.
Then, we swap the driver's seat for the kitchen.
It's time for a cooking class to learn how to make gelato and pizza from scratch. Wow. And then we get to eat it all.
Eating homemade pizza in Florence is one thing, but learning the secrets from the pros, that is once in a lifetime. Florence is the birthplace of the Renaissance, and this might be its most famous work, Michelangelo's David.
There it is, the most famous statue in history.
If a picture's worth 1,000 words, this view is worth every bit of the pre-trip planning. You can't leave Florence without stopping by its Duomo. Climb up the bell tower for incredible panoramic views. Just outside Florence, you'll find the rolling vineyards and olive groves.
Got our professional truffle hunter and Choco the truffle hunting dog. Did Choco found one? Oh, wow. Smells like lunch.
We couldn't leave without riding through Chianti on horseback, with views that topped off the whole day.
It's just so pretty.
Follow our itinerary for an unforgettable 3 days in Florence. Book the experiences in the description below, and let us know what you thought.
Salute.